And then more so now, dahil there is a possibility that the articles of impeachment might be transmitted by the House. Pero as of now, everything is speculative. If ever, di ba? So what we will be doing in this caucus will be to, well, discuss the agenda for the next month. And the last month of the first regular session of the 20th Congress. And then the possibility of receiving the articles of impeachment, then we will discuss the possibility of what preparation should be done. And the timetable. Yun ang crucial eh. As of now, the crucial is timetable. So again, everything will rely on whether the articles of impeachment will be transmitted to us or not.
Gaano po kahalaga na handa ang Senado if ever iakyat yung articles of impeachment? At kailangan nyo mag-convene na?
Napakahalagang nakahanda kami. Because the country, our countrymen are looking at this very seriously. Minomonitor nila yung sa House, diba? So they will expect us to do our job once we receive it. Pero again, once we receive it.
May pressure
pa na tayo.
May pressure ba sa inyo, sir? Especially VP Sara ito, kilalang personalidad ito, Vice President itong ini-impeach.
Dapat ang mentality namin hindi ganyan. Dapat ang mentality namin, we have to do our job. We have to be impartial. Kahit sino pa yung ipapadala sa amin ng articles of impeachment, we have to read, we have to look at it at a very impartial attitude. So, wala lahat dapat isipin ka lang.